Yo, what is good, everyone on YouTube? I hope everyone's having a good day. I hope you all are keeping safe and taking care of yourselves. If you're new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. I actually got 2 packages in the mail from Footlocker today. Shout out Footlocker Canada. I will actually be doing 2 unboxing videos. I won't be unboxing 2 different pairs of sneakers in one video. That'd just take forever. I'm gonna be doing 2 separate videos. Now I don't know which pair is in which box, so it's gonna be, kind of like cut it open and see. Um, yeah, let's get into it. So here's the first box. Let's see what's in here. Ooh, I think I know what this is. Now, I lucked out with both of these sneakers on release day. They did sell out eventually. They have restocked a couple times here and there. From the looks of it, I believe these might be the Jordan 13s that I was talking about. Let's see. And yeah, it is a Jordan 13. Now, they were fairly easy to get. They do have pretty good resale right now. I already have a pair of 13s. I wouldn't mind having another pair. They're actually probably the most comfortable Jordans I've ever worn, or some of the most comfortable. Now, the official colorway of these is called Black and Hyper Royal Black White. Now, these are the Hyper Royal Jordan 13s. I went with my true size, which is a size 9. Not a full size run from size 7 to size 15. If you guys are looking for pairs, definitely check out Footlocker right now. They are still available. They did sell out, but then they restocked. Ooh. I'm liking how these look. These remind me a lot of the Bread 13s. I really wish... Actually, no, they released those last year, I believe it was, or 2018, around there. Now, I don't know, in pictures, these looked kind of purple, but they're actually, like, royal blue in person. Now, I don't know. Would I rock these? Yes. I love my Flints, but, I don't know, I have mixed feelings on these. Like, should I keep them or should I sell them? Like, the quality is nice on these. The suede is nice and soft. You have your 3M panels on the side, so when the light hits them, they will reflect. You got a royal blue colored Jumpman logo on the tongue. The tongue is also either, I believe, nubuck or suede. The toe box is leather. And then you got this holographic Jumpman kind of thing on the bottom, and then you got it on the side right here too. And then Footlocker also sent me one of these. These actually got here earlier than expected. They said they'd be here by December 29th, but they just showed up today because I got a text notification and an email from UPS saying your package has been delivered from Footlocker Canada. So that's good. And then here is the second shoe, the right shoe. I like how they did it's kind of different how they did the perforations on the tongue. Normally Jordan 13s don't have perforation like on the tongue. I kind of like it though. It's different. But like, I don't know. I have mixed thoughts on these. Like, let me know what you think about these down below. I kind of like them, but at the same time, like, should I sell them? Like, their retail was $250, I believe. No, $240. Yeah, like $250 or $245. I was actually surprised that I, for once on release day, didn't take an L. I tried with the Kobe 6 Protro Grinches today, like this morning when they released. Footlocker and all other websites got heavily botted by everyone, so there was absolutely no luck on those. I know they're gonna have high resale, so I'm not even gonna bother paying resale for them anytime soon. I got these for retail, so I'm not gonna complain. I don't mind having another pair of 13s. Like if these don't sell, resale on these right now is looking at about, depends on the size, like all Jordans technically right now, but these are I've seen some go for 3, I've seen some go for 320, I've seen some go for 350, but other than that, there's nothing much else to it. It comes in your traditional Jordan 13 box. And if you guys have worn 13s before or ever tried on 13s, you know how crazy comfy these things are. So that was my video for today, guys. I'm not going to drag this on. Much love. If you're new to this channel, please make sure to leave a like down below. Hit the red button and subscribe. Leave a comment. Let me know what your thoughts on these are and this video. But I'll be back in a few minutes with the second unboxing. Much love. Take care. Enjoy the rest of your day. That's going to be a thumbnail right there, probably. I hope so. The fucking YouTube sometimes doesn't do proper thumbnails for my videos.